This is the Xiaomi 14 Pro and Xiaomi is going all out with this one. So CAD renders coming in and we have a flat display on the front. So from curve in the 13 Pro to flat in the 14 Pro, that might disappoint some of us. But this was likely done in favor of a tiny top side and chin bezel. In fact, the bezels are even thinner than that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So yes, overall a stunning 6.6-inch display on the front with a small center hole punch selfie shooter. The frame is slightly made of metal and not titanium, unlike the one in the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the one coming in the Samsung S24 Ultra, something you all should note. The highlight of this device is that massive squarish camera module with 4 sensors on the back. Some rumors suggest we might see dual Sony IMX9 series sensor, a 5x zoom periscope shooter and some supporting sensors in there. So as always, it's gonna shoot some fantastic photos. Yeah, I hope they work on video processing too. That would be awesome. Some news coming in from China. MIUI might replace MIUI 15 and might come alongside the Xiaomi 14 series out of the box. Some Weibo users say we might see new interface, animation and software support, so I hope that is true cause MIUI is not that great and I know many who just cannot trust MIUI right now, so MIUI could be something they can trust on. DCS says the Xiaomi 14 will use 4860 mAh huge battery size and the Xiaomi 14 Pro will pack a 5000 mAh battery. That is huge, and with the 8 Gen 3 powerful and power efficient chipset, it may go longer. This time Qualcomm is planning to use Cortex-X4 main alongside 5X Cortex-A720 and 2X Cortex-A520 in the 8 Gen 3 flagship silicon. So again, no doubt it's gonna be powerful and power efficient, and this along with better ISP, and yes, it is still based on TSMC process, which is nice. DCS say it is 15% better in terms of CPU and 40% better in terms of GPU than the 8 Gen 2 one in the Xiaomi 13 series. So it all comes down to the harness the power of 8 Gen 3 chipset and powerful camera hardware.